Hi, good morning. Om Namah Shivaya. Standard 9, Subject Maths, Chapter number 15, Probability. In last lecture, we sent one photo of picture of this probability instruction. In the everyday life, we come across statements such as, it will probably rain today. It will probably rain today. I doubt that he will pass the test. Most probably, Kavita will stand first in the annual examination. Clear, student? In routine life, we use this type of statement. It will probably rain today. I doubt that he will pass the test. There is a 50-50 chance of India winning a toss in today's match. The words the probably, doubt, most probably, chances, etc. used in the statement above involve an elements of uncertainty. Probability. We have experimental approach. Experimental approach means take any activity, take any coin and toss it one time. So when we take a coin and toss it, then we get two results. It's head, a tail. One card is drawn from a well-supplied deck of 52 cards. One card one card is drawn from a well-supplied deck of 52 cards. This one also experimental experiment. When we take any one card of 52 cards, then probability of taking one card is 1 by 52. It's percentage also. Take any coins, toss it one time. Toss it one time. Then the probability, otherwise percentage of coming head is 50% and toss also 50%. That means probability of coming head is 50%, any 1 by 2, and probability of coming tail is 1 by 2. In the activity, the getting a head in a particular throw is an event. This one is called event. In a activity, the getting head, yeah, tail in a particular throw is a event. In the experimental, for the empirical or experimental, otherwise empirical, it's called empirical probability. Probability की formula P of event E. P of event E is equals to number of trials in which the event happened. Number of trials in which the event happened divided by total number of trials. Divided by total number of trials. Let me see some example. Let me see some example in next video. Clear, student? Okay. Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you. Hi, student. Check few examples. First one. Two coins are tossed simultaneously 500 times. Two coins are tossed simultaneously 500 times. And we get two head 105 times, two head 105 times, one head 275 times, and no head is 120 times. Find the probability of occurrence of each of these event. Find the probability of occurrence of each of these event. यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है, probability find करनी है दिस इवेंट्स के लिए. कौन कौन से इवेंट्स है? टू हेड, वन हेड एंड नो हेड. वी हैव थ्री इवेंट्स हियर, टू हेड, वन हेड एंड नो हेड. Clear? Then formula of probability P of event E is equals to number of trial, otherwise number of head divided by total number of trial. Total number of trials. Clear? First, event A is equals to 2 head. 2 head. Then probability of A is equals to number of 2 head occurred divided by total number of trials. How many times 2 head happen? 105 times. Divided by total number of trials is 500 times. 500 times. Then take a fractions. Clear? Then event B is equals to 1 head then probability of B is equals to 1 head 275 times 1 head happen divided by 500. Event C is equals to no head. Therefore, probability of C is equals to 120 times no head happen. 120 divided by 500. Clear, student? This one is our answer. Then we take final answer is equals to 0.21, 0.55 and 0.24. Get a fractions and find the value. Look at second example. A dice is thrown 1000 times. Dice is thrown 1000 times with the frequencies for the outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 as given in the following table. Then find the probability of outcomes. So solution, probability of event E, probability of any event E is equals to frequency of outcomes divided by total number of frequency. Clear, student? So frequency of outcome ones, P of 1 is equals to 179 divided by 1000. Then answer is 0.179. P of 2, frequency of 2 outcomes is equals to 150 divided by 1000. 0 cut 0.15. Clear? Frequency of 3 outcomes is equals to 157 divided by 1000. Then answer is 0.157. Frequency of 4 outcomes is equals to 149 divided by 1000 is equals to 0.149. Similarly, you can find the value frequency of 5 and 6 outcomes. Clear? Then today's homework is solve 1 to 6 example in your homework notebook. Clear, student? Okay. Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you.